The box with sliding lid brings surprise and delight to your child's journey of object permanence. The box comes with 2 shapes for your child to discover, but it could be used to reveal many other treasures that are safe for your child to find, like a toy car, an old teether, or a pine cone, to name a few. When first presenting the box to your child, you can do so on the floor or seated at a child-sized table. Wherever you are, be sure to sit next to your child so they can clearly see your hands interact with the box, and later, model your movements. Before you start, place 1 shape into the box, hiding it with the lid. We recommend the larger hexagonal prism, since it will be easiest for your child to pick up and hold. Point to the box and say, "This is the box with sliding lid. Let's see what's inside. Watch." Stabilize the box with 1 hand. Then, using a C grasp, 4 fingers and thumb, on the handle of the lid, pause. This pause gives your child time to absorb your hand placement and grasp, which allows them to eventually replicate the motions themselves. Slowly slide the lid open, pausing again. Say joyfully with surprise, "I see a hexagonal prism in there." Using a joyful tone will spark excitement and encourage your child to engage. They may even want to take the prism out of the box and explore it. Next, using the same hand to stabilize the box and the other hand with the same C grasp, slowly close the lid with the prism inside the box. Pause and offer your little one a turn. Now you can open the box. Next time you put the toy on your child's shelf, place the thinner hexagonal coin into the box for them to find. Remember, the box can continue to be a fun place for you to hide small treasures and interesting safe items from around the home that introduce new sounds or textures to your little one's exploration.